Oh, yeah? Yeah? Oh, you meows? Say hello? Oh. Got kitty Christmas socks on. I'm sorry, guys. I have not had many videos lately. I am like... Oh, that's my back. Oh, okay, honey. That's not cool. Don't do that. Okay, that hurt. That hurt. So... You guys always want to be on my lap. Fine. I'll lay down. Okay, we're a little too close to show. Fine. I did not want to show myself, but you make it impossible. So, I am in excruciating pain. This tooth over here on the top, I'm pretty sure I need a root canal, so I'm going in today. And, I don't usually have my shoes on in here. So, and also I have not been feeling very well emotionally. So, I'm sorry I haven't had as many videos, but these two help. These two are the best. I love you. Is he sitting on you? I love this cat. You're the best little thing. Yes, you are. Oh, put in my ear. So I've taken a leave. Yeah, that's the camera. Okay. So I've taken a leave in Tylenol. It's not doing anything. But she's trying to comfort me. Ow! And Pharaoh's biting me. But I'm sorry I haven't been doing well, so I've been doing like a lot of extra like treatment things. Because I have depression, so. Oh gosh. And the kitties helped me with that too, so. Would you not bite my shoes? He jumped and fell in the water ditch. I'm pretty sure the way he's acting. Oh, I'm sorry. Did the shoes attack you? Oh, honey, come here. So yeah, I've been like busy with that stuff. And these two take care of themselves, so. They do cute things, but it's always like by my face. And I never want to film myself, so. So yeah, I haven't got as many videos because it's always just this, which is amazing. I love doing this. But yeah, I wanted to know you guys to know I think about you all the time. I've not had any extra energy. And then usually, you guys know how there's a sound problem. It's never loud enough. And, I have to put it into iMovie and then upload it. Which takes a lot longer than just doing it from my phone. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do this one just from my phone. She's like, stop talking. More kisses. More kisses. I can't see where it's filming. I hope it's filming her. Hello, Pharaoh. Oh, are you going to get me all wet? Did you dry yourself? Ew. Thanks a lot. Oh, well. Just water. Great. Thank you, guys. Oh, thank you for loving me. It makes my tooth feel so much better. You had quite the adventure. Would you sit still? What are you doing? I don't want your butt. Pharaoh does. He loves your butt. So it was the cutest thing. Somebody put, that somebody should adopt Oaklyn and, Pharaoh, and put Pharaoh loves Oaklyn. Like Max loves Maya. I thought that was adorable. Okay, so we'll, ow. Okay, so we will see you later. Thanks for caring when I don't put up videos all the time. It means a lot to me. So, and the kitties, and the moral support. Nobody can see you. You're blurry. We'll see you later.